Ever wondered how to maximize the efficiency of your air conditioner? Welcome to HVAC Master Technologies, where we unravel the secrets of effective air conditioning use and share how our services can enhance your cooling experience. First, consider the temperature settings. It's a fine balance between comfort and energy conservation. Setting higher temperatures when you're away can save energy without compromising on comfort when you're home. Moving on to programmable thermostats. These handy devices allow you to take control of your cooling schedule. Set cooling times around your daily routine and reap the benefits of both comfort and savings. What about airflow direction? Proper airflow direction ensures even cooling across your space. Our experts at HVAC Master Technologies are ready to guide you on adjusting your airflow for optimal comfort. Clean air filters are another essential element for efficient operation. They also ensure you're breathing clean, healthy air. At HVAC Master Technologies, we offer professional filter cleaning services to keep your system running smoothly. Now, let's talk about humidity control. An ideal indoor environment is not just about temperature, it's also about managing humidity levels. Our air conditioners can help you achieve this balance. And for those keen on energy saving, we have a plethora of tips. From using fans to circulate cool air to sealing gaps for better insulation, we are here to help you save energy and money. Ready to upgrade your air conditioning experience? HVAC Master Technologies offers a wide range of services to meet your needs, be it installation, servicing or maintenance. Already have an air conditioner installed? We're here to provide professional servicing and maintenance to keep your system operating at its best. If you're in the market for a new air conditioner, reach out to us for a free brand recommendation. Our experts will guide you to the best unit, size and energy-efficient model that suits your needs. Remember, HVAC Master Technologies is just a click away on all social media platforms. Follow us at HVAC Master Technologies for the latest updates and tips. Reach us at 0530122467 or send us a message on WhatsApp to experience the best comfort you deserve with HVAC Master Technologies. In conclusion, we at HVAC Master Technologies are committed to bringing you the best comfort you deserve, your partner in comfort and efficiency.